For me, the outdoors is where I reset and recharge for the work ahead. I was born in the Yukon into an outdoorsy family, so the outdoors has always been in my blood. When I pursued an academic career in examining healthy aging and mental health, the outdoors became an even more meaningful place for me. My wife, sister-in-law, and I started Cast and Iron to show people how beneficial the outdoors can be to our mental health, and that with the right gear in hand, it's accessible to everyone. Cooking over an open fire, creating amazing camp food, and exploring the rivers and world around us brings us together and connects us with nature. Being out here really brings perspective to my work in mental health and allows me to continue finding new ways to help others create sustainable habits and foster better mental health for their own lives.